Hi guys, my name is Steven and today we're gonna making a quiz. So you may see my project right over here. Just wait here. As you can see, it will tell you to press a key. Now, now you may need to answer the question from Toby. If you answer wrong, for example, I answer as red, it says like this. I don't think that's right. And then when you says the correct answer like blue, it jumps and then you win. Okay? So that's how. So first we must state Toby. Yes, we need to state Toby. And then have a backdrop and click on choose the backdrop. Click on blue sky, or if you don't want a blue sky, you can click other ones. How about rays, stripes, maze, circles? I want light. So what should we do is this Toby must to tell us a question. So let's let first here's method 1. Method 1 is to say that how we must press a key. So say uh, press, for example for me, press a key to uh wait to start. Oh, start here is that. Now let's see what happens. Okay, it's press A key to start, okay? After that, we use a lock. Second method, we must to start the game if we press a key. So, for example, when I press A key, it will tell us a question. So, how can we tell a question? Here's the example. You can go here and ask this one. Ask. It will just like this and type to know it. Now, oh, this is a quiz. So here, well, I'll tell you. For example, what is my name? This is yours. And the wine one is right over my Pictoblox is actually the sky. Okay, now ask what is my name and then repeat until you click go to here and then go to the here, click on answer and then blue. And then here where it is repeated. So let's have a after with repeats until, but before it repeats like this. So it will says I don't, oh wait, space, I don't think that that's right. And then we copy and paste this block, duplicate it, and then Peter Thiel, its answer is blue. And then we switch to costume Toby Jump, and then you can say like this. Correct. 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 So let's see what. And then here you are. Your script is done. Now let's test. Test. Wait a second. Wrong way. I answered with blue. It must be Toby. Toby. Okay. Okay. Now let's start again. I've got it. So again, press A key to start. And then what is my name? If you, let's see, check. And then when I answer Toby. Correct. Yes. So that's how it can do. You can also have this in this book. In the book called it calls Coding and Stencils. From Coding Stencils, kids, link schools, and even they use for Scratch. Let me explain. What is this type of book is? Goes to Autumn Publishing. It is the www.igloobooks.com. Here, let me have it. www. Dot and then igloo.com. This is the part. Go to www.igloo.com where it is domain advisors. Where here's the thing. You must sign in your thing and then it's igloo. Oh yes, I've forgotten. It must be iglooBooks.com. So here is the one that you can go to igloobooks.com. You may see the Igloo Books and then search a book named Coding and then tiles coding ascent tiles. Now this is okay. Something looks wrong. So go to this category until you find another here, and then you will find the books. It has many books, and then it has a coding one, that is the coding book. The coding book, let me explain to you. The coding book was here. Photo let me introduce myself, my coding book. Let me go to camera. This is the coding book. Look, is the coding book. So I just, you know what? I put some stickers right here. I put some stickers. You know, this book will have scratch ones. So here's the one that I am teaching. Wait a second. So here it is, in the creating story. You may know that this is the code where I am using. But I didn't switch again the costume. But that's okay. We'll remix again. So, according to it, we must switch back, right? Yeah. And this one means to begin. And wait a second. And then switch again to Toby. I forgot. Wait. Okay. No, ask and wait block is the one that we used. So, oh my god, that's the end. So, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. Also, don't forget to buy this type of book named The Coding Assistant Skills in the igloobooks.com. Come on, you can do it. Just just have that book right away for more videos. See you next time.